Hello, I'm Angie from AceVacuums. Today, we'll explore the Miele Duoflex HX1 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This innovative device offers a range of features designed to enhance your cleaning experience, making it a popular choice for many households. The Miele Duoflex HX1 offers cordless convenience, allowing freedom of movement without being tethered to a power outlet. Its powerful suction makes it effective on various surfaces, while the Duoflex design ensures easy maneuvering and access to tight spaces. Despite its advantages, the Miele Duoflex HX1 has some drawbacks. The battery life may require frequent recharging for larger cleaning tasks, and its price is on the higher end. Additionally, the dust container might need more frequent emptying. The Miele Duoflex HX1 excels in performance, effectively picking up dust, dirt, and pet hair from different surfaces. Its strong motor and brush roll design ensure impressive results, even on high-pile carpets, making it a reliable cleaning tool. Battery life is crucial for the Miele Duoflex HX1. While it offers adequate runtime for everyday cleaning, larger homes may need a second charge. Quick charging is a plus, but planning your cleaning sessions is essential for efficiency. Miele's filtration system is a standout feature, with HEPA filters capturing allergens and fine particles. This makes it ideal for allergy sufferers. The dust container is easy to empty and clean, adding to the vacuum's overall convenience.
The Miele Duoflex HX1 is user-friendly, featuring intuitive controls and a comfortable grip. It's relatively quiet, reducing disruption during cleaning. While it comes with useful attachments, additional accessories might be needed for specialized tasks.
In conclusion, the Miele Duoflex HX1 is a sleek, modern vacuum that combines aesthetics with functionality. Its lightweight design and flexibility make it suitable for various cleaning tasks. Thank you for joining us to learn about this impressive appliance.